All right, what's up everybody? In this video, we're gonna talk about this machine behind us, this 2016 AMS combo machine. It was vandalized, so we picked it up for $300. As you can see, it's still kind of getting put back together. But the paint job came out nice for $1,000 for sure, right? And had to take all the trays out, get it all taken care of. So into it for $300, paid $1,000 for the paint job, $700 and some more parts. So total right around $2,000 into this machine, money wise. And this cleaned up AMS machine probably worth $4,000 to $5,000. So just want to do a quick video. If you find something that is beat up or needs some work, there's some money to be made there. A couple thousand in equity now in this machine that's going to be put back together. Just have to put the trays back in, bill, coin, some bezels. So hope this video helps. And if you're on Facebook or if you're on any of these sites and you see a machine, again, that's why I talk about the brand of the machine is more important than getting it used. If you get a used machine, you want to get a used machine, a used AMS machine is going to be more valuable, especially 2016, than a used Dixie Narco machine or something like that. So just like finding used, pink bikes for your daughter. So anyway, if you find Facebook, if you're on Craigslist or wherever you see them and you find a used one, you can make some money on them. Throw some offers out there. Until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.